Gonna go ahead and open up these oEdRo floor liners for a 4th gen Ram crew cab. Complete set for the front and rear. These are the high-sided liners that are supposed to catch water and stuff like that. Going all over the back of your truck. So far they look to be pretty sturdy. Nice, good firm quality. You've got the factory hooks so you can tie them into your factory holding spots for the floor mat. Again, they look really good. Tomorrow I'll get a video of them installed, show you how easy they are to go in. Thanks for watching. Install the passenger liner and just slide the front of it in first, and then you can kind of maneuver it to get the factory clip in there. Super easy to install. It's nice and snug. I just pulled out my factory liners and vacuum prior, and I had, grass and stuff all up in this area because those mats are flat. This should keep most of that off of there. And again, it runs all the way outside of the door. So, okay, we're gonna go ahead and install the front liner. Kind of slide it up underneath your pedals and then just walk it up the rest of the way. And you can actually use the same factory clips for your stop mats. Again, you can see it gives, a high coverage on that side to keep the dirt and stuff off the sides. And it actually comes all the way out to your trim panel, so it actually runs out of the truck if you spill something in there. We're going to install those floor liners we talked about. This is for the back. It goes all the way across. Just pop right in. Might have been a little easier to do it from the back down. That's easier. Well, installation instruction. Lay it down in the back first. It sits in a lot easier. Gives a nice, good, full coverage all the way across the seats.